Alright, in this video we are going to talk about NASDAQ, and you see here also on 2-hour charts the movement or the development of the NASDAQ, US 100. As I previously published a lot of ideas also many weeks ago, we will come to this point. Nobody was believing, and we are here. And my next prediction is that next NASDAQ will go higher to 15,500 first, and then to 16,200. They will struggle a little bit before we go to above 17,000, right? Anyway, if you are interested in one of my indicators, this is my new indicator, the buy sell volume profile. You can see in this indicator the volume profile automatically is giving you at what level. For example, here you can see we are on the lower area, and it's giving also the signal here, for example, in red color, don't buy. And now here at the lowest possible area where the buyers will come in, the delta and also the volume profile is giving you very nice signal. In this case, for example, we use this area. The trend is definitely bullish, meaning whatever now is happening, we just start to buy. We ignore the selling positions or the selling signals. We just take the buy signals if you go for the maximum trend, and it seems that the market is going up right now. We can also use them for profit taking, going on the lower time frame, and that way we can combine it. Whatever, if you go again on my page of on Tradingview, so this is the link, tradingview.u/DaveBrascoFX/ and then you automatically come in there, and then above the ideas there is also a filter, right? Filter of the ideas, whatever, and you're looking for, we are going now for US 100, somewhere around here, and I've been choosing here US 100 analysis. If you click on that, you automatically find all my ideas about US 100, right? So we see, for example, here on May the 12th, at the beginning, it was, so on May the 12th, I have been publishing the idea that US NASDAQ and also US indices, almost most indices will rise, with a title, with a funny title. I asked ChatGPT how NASDAQ will rise again. Of course, I didn't do that. It's all my own analysis. Whatever, well, just want to take the attention or focus of others, right? It was also more funny of that. Now, if we go and click on that, we see here that the market, in fact, rose again towards my predictions, right? So here was the period I have been publishing it, and the market rose, in fact, in direction I was been targeting, to around 15,200, and before the market then came back to around 14,000 something, and it's running now again, right? So also all the ideas are not only published but also very well explained why I have done, or I have decided myself to take that position, how I'm going to forecast the next period, the next step, and what other markets are related to this movement. As you can see here, for example, if NASDAQ is moving, there are several markets on the same time. They have positive correlation to the NASDAQ market, and the others have negative or neutral, right? So you have the possibility to read that. Going now to the idea of today, I have been publishing. So as you can see, my next prediction is that NASDAQ is going to 16,300. Yes, 60,370 next. Why is this happening? Well, the data of this week, and also now more enthusiastic tensions are coming into the market. On the other side, if we go back to the lower time, and this is maybe a useful tip if you are trading also in the lower time frame, always trade in the direction of the higher time frames. Meaning, in this case, for example, if the, well, let's say we take this period, it's very, very interesting, right? Stop listening to the news and fundamentals, you know, as there are many traps also on the social media. For example, especially in the, well, there are a lot of advertisers and social media people who are sharing posts about crypto. Yes, take this, you get $10,000, you get $7,000 if you open. There are a lot of brokers, and 99% of those, I'm not saying everyone, but 99% of them are really, really unserious. I mean, who is going to give you $10,000 if you subscribe to its page, right? There are a lot of people, especially in the cryptos, and they are talking about, now we have our own crypto index and crypto brokerage, and only you can trade only, cryptos, and we are our own community. I mean, people who are sharing it are controlling everything. They can see your stop losses, and boom, your money is away. And the bad thing about the decentralization is that there is, if you have lost your money, you never again have the possibility to get that back. Of course, with the other brokers, that's the same. Of course, if you have been losing your money, you have to correspond it, and it takes a lot of time and so. But to avoid it, you need always to check, all the posts. For example, if you publish a post on Instagram or Telegram, and I'm asking myself why all these people are going to Telegram, and what not everybody is knowing, Telegram belongs to Russia. So you can decide yourself now. You can tell me the opposite, but I know it better. Telegram is belonging to Russia. To Russia, and well, I never will invest and put my money in something what is Russian, and in behind of that, if you want to lose your money, you can do it, of course, right? So why not in your own country? You have the possibility also to change and to monitor your brokers better. Whatever, now we're talking about Nasdaq, and we see here also on our volume profile, currently our POC is at around 30,400. So this point here. Well, latestly the previous POC was at around 11,400. So it seems that the POC is coming up again, and it's of course a very, very strong sign that Nasdaq will go much more higher, right? If you're trading the volume profile, I have a good tip. Try to get something to wait for the corrections like this. And if you're going then to trade with volume profiles, try to put your stops at around here. Why? Because as you can see, we have a lot of balance here. So the probability that your stop is being hit, well, let's say you are bullish, right? Let's say, so your intention is to take that bullish trend, and you believe the market will go higher, right? So on the lower time frame, we say 30 minutes, for example, you're looking now for a very good position for a pullback, and then wait for confirmation. And now the next question is about risk management and money management, where to put it best. Well, I used to put it, for example, here, right? Why here? Because we have a balanced area, right? So nearly the power of the bulls and bears is 50-50. So the probability that we have a sudden breakout is very, very low. So I'm using maximum the last or the prior swing below the last POC, and I put my stop there because I'm a trend trader. So this is only a tip, because in my community a lot of traders have been asking me that, so I hope I could help you with that one. My prediction is Nasdaq will rise much more higher, that around 70,000 before we go to 25,000 next. And currently it seems that now the fear against the Fed is vanishing.